Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be discussing what is artificial intelligence and what is machine learning and what is the actual difference between both of these. So many of you might be confused between what is artificial intelligence and what is machine learning, and whether there is a difference between what is artificial intelligence and what is machine learning. So today I'm going to make it clear what is the actual difference between both of this and whether there is much difference or is it the same thing. And in the end of the video, I'm also gonna talk something about what is deep learning. So we are going to talk about what is AI ML and what is this third part, that is deep learning. It is actually a small part of ML only that we are going to discuss in the end of the video. So we'll first begin with the basic difference between what is AI and ML. So let's get started. So let's begin with what is artificial intelligence. So basically, artificial intelligence are the computers which think like humans. So these are basically the computers which have the ability to think like us human beings and react according to these situations. Now what are the examples of AI? So the examples of AI are voice assistants. Like you might have heard about Google, Siri or Alexa. All these assistants use basically AI to process the data. Second example of what artificial intelligence is self-driving cars. For example, Tesla. And the third example is augmented reality. So you might have heard about latest Apple Vision Pro. So all these devices actually use artificial intelligence to process and output the data. And AR also will include the Iron Man suits that we saw in the Iron Man movie back then. So the suits which Iron Man uses in his film actually uses artificial intelligence. So this was about AI. So if we break down one example of voice assistant, so voice assistant, what actually it does is it converts the speech to text, then it searches the text, and then it changes again the text to speech. So these three parts are actually all machine learning problems. So these individual steps actually all together make AI. So what basically AI is, it is a combination of machine learning problems. So AI is basically a combination of machine learning problems. So the next question that might come to your mind is, then what is machine learning? So machine learning is basically the models, all the models which learn from given data. This is what machine learning actually is. So machine learning is actually all the models which have the ability to learn from data and then predict the solutions from it. So the examples of some of the machine learning problems are, first, detecting anomalies. Detecting anomalies means to detect some problems in the given data set. Second is to recommend products. Like if you open the Amazon app, then Amazon app actually recommends you product on the basis of what products you purchased the last time. So on that data, on the previous data, the Amazon will actually predict the products which you will buy next time. So that is example second. And the third is predicting the future. Like if given a particular data set, what will outcome of that particular data is also a machine learning problem. So these are some of the problems of machine learning, and these are some of the examples of artificial intelligence. So let us consider one example of machine learning. So let us assume that this is your previous purchase graph on the Amazon app. Let's just suppose. So you buy most of the products in this price range. So you buy most of the products that are below $5, and 25% of the products which you buy are in the $5 to $10 category, and so on. So what the machine learning algorithm will predict is that you buy most of the products in less than $5 range. So the next time the machine learning will actually recommend you products which are between $5 to $10 because the purchasing ability of yours is actually increasing in the $5 to $10 range if you see it carefully. So what machine learning algorithm will do is that next time it will show you products which are in the category of $5 to $10 because the purchasing power of you is slightly increasing in the $5 to $10 range. So this is actually one example of simple machine learning problem and come under the section of predicting the future. So what basically the difference between AI and ML is that ML is a subset of AI. So you can say like ML actually belongs to artificial intelligence, but it is a small part of what AI does. Like AI covers all these topics, but machine learning will cover only these topics. So AI is actually a broader term. In that we study different subjects like ML, like DL, deep learning, machine learning. So all this actually comes under artificial intelligence. So AI is actually a superset of machine learning, deep learning, etc. So what then is deep learning? So deep learning is the basic difference between deep learning and machine learning is that machine learning works on a smaller data set. So the data set which is actually given to machine learning is smaller as compared to deep learning. You can understand it by the name itself. Like deep learning, what it stands for is that the data that is given to a deep learning machine is actually a large amount of data. So a bigger data set is given to deep learning machines. That was the basic difference between ML and DL. So the next question which might come to your mind is that from where do I start learning this? Like should I start from ML, DL or AI? So I will say that so you start studying from machine learning, then you come back to artificial intelligence. Because if you understand machine learning quite well, then you can move towards artificial intelligence. So that was it from my side, guys. If you have any questions regarding AI and ML, then do let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching, guys.